Alright, this is just a quick thank you more than anything. My Blackpool video blew up basically, 14,000 views, and I gained about 120 subscribers. I'm absolutely shocked. I really appreciate it. I'm really grateful. I really am. So this is my way of just saying thank you very much. I can't offer you anything. There is an LP code though. And at checkout you can use OPS10 to get 10% discount on most items. Not guaranteed on detectors, not guaranteed on some coils, but some coils you can. So yeah, it's just my way of saying, you know, I'm really grateful. I'm nearly at 2,000 subscribers now, which is absolutely amazing. One thing I did want to say, if you've not heard of the company called Relix, that's RELIX. They make these bags. These are for spades, so they go over your spades. But I've got them over a 9-inch coil and an 11-inch coil, and they fit perfectly. So go to the company and check it out. There is discount codes. I don't personally have one, but for those of you that know Jelly, the metal detective, I believe her discount code is Jelly10. So go out and check it out and try the discount code Jelly10 to get 10% off. But yeah, they also make fines pouches, small and large. Fantastic, absolutely brilliant. Can't fault them at all. But as I say, that's a spade cover and it fits perfectly over my coil. So I come off the beach or even off the fields, the mud and the sand just falls into the bottom of it once it dries off. You just empty the bag out. It doesn't go all over your vehicle or all over your settee or anything like that, wherever you, I'm just saying that as a one-off thing, but you know, wherever you store them, and if you're not washing them off straight away, by the time you've got them home they should be fairly dry, and all the sand and that goes off into the bag, and you just tip it out, wipe it out, and away you go. Thank you very much appreciated. As I say, I am absolutely astonished. I've never had a video blow up like that. I've had a short blow up like that, but never a video. And even my current video, I think is on about 1400. So absolutely amazing, as I say, much appreciated. And onwards and upwards, as they say, and let's look forward to the future. As I say, soon to pass 2,000 subscribers, which I never thought I'd ever make. So I'm really grateful. But yeah, it's just my way of saying thank you. All right, cheers for that. All right, bye.